Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn Class 7 Social Studies Part 1 Chapter 1 Geographical Diversity of India. India is a country full of mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, coastlines and islands. In this chapter we will explore all these physical features in a very easy and interesting way. So grab your notebook, sit comfortably, and let's begin our journey across India. India is a land of great geographical diversity. Different regions of India have different climates, landscape, vegetation, and lifestyles. Some places are covered with snow, while some are hot deserts. Some regions have fertile plains for farming, while others have forests and plateaus. This diversity makes India unique and beautiful. Let us first learn about Himalayas. The Himalayas are the biggest mountain range or the highest mountain range in the world. They are very important for India. During summer, snow melts from the Himalayas and feeds major rivers like the Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra. These rivers provide water for drinking, farming, and industries. This is why Himalayas are called a water tower of Asia. Himalayas are also considered sacred as many temples and monarchies are located there. The three ranges of Himalayas. Greater Himalayas, also known as Himadri. The Himadri is the highest range. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. Famous peaks like Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga are found here. Next, we have the Lower Himalayas or Himachal. This region has lower peaks and moderate climate. Many famous hill stations are located here. Last, Outer Himalayas or the Shivaliks. These are the youngest ranges. These have dense forest and rich wildlife. Now let us move towards Ladakh. Ladakh is also known as the cold desert of India. In winter, temperatures may go below minus 30 degrees Celsius. There is very little rainfall and the region has rocky mountains, deep valleys and beautiful lakes. The landscape looks like a moon surface, so Ladakh is called Moonland. Rare animals like snow leopards and Tibetan antelopes are found here. Next, we have the Gangetic Plains. These plains are formed by the river Ganga, Brahmaputra, and its tributaries. The river deposits rich alluvial soil, making the region one of the most fertile areas in the world. This region stretches from Punjab to West Bengal. Because the land is flat and fertile, farming is highly developed here. Major crops grown are wheat, rice, and sugarcane. This region also has very high population density. Now let's explore the Great Indian Desert, also called the Thar Desert. It is located mainly in Rajasthan. The desert has sandy terrain, sand dunes, very little rainfall, and extremely hot temperatures. During summer, temperatures can reach up to 50 degrees Celsius. Plants like cactus and thorny bushes grow here because they can survive with less water. Animals found here include camel, desert fox. People in Rajasthan are famous for their colorful clothes, folk music, and festivals. The Aravalli Hills are among the oldest mountain ranges in the world. Mount Abu is the highest peak here. The Aravalli Hills acts as a natural barrier and stops the Thar Desert from spreading further east. These hills are rich in minerals like marble, granite, zinc, and copper. Now let's understand the Peninsular Plateau. This region is surrounded by water on three sides, that is, the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. This is why it is called a peninsula. Any region surrounded by water by three sides is hence called as peninsula. The plateau is bordered by Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Rivers like Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri flow across this plateau. The plateau is rich in minerals, forest, and fertile land. Many tribal communities also live in these forests. Beautiful waterfalls are formed because rivers flow over rocky surfaces. India has a long coastline of about 7,500 kilometers. The western coast lies along the Arabian Sea. It includes Konkan coast, Malabar coast, and Gujarat coast. The eastern coast lies along the Bay of Bengal. It includes Coromandel coast and North Creekier coast. These coastal regions are important for trade, fishing, ports, and tourism. India has two major island groups. First are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. These islands have tropical forest and unique wildlife. Second is Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. These are coral islands famous for coconut tree, coral reefs, and marine life. These islands increases India's maritime importance. The Sundarbans Delta are formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. It is the world's largest delta and also the world's largest mangrove forest. The Sundarbans is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for the Royal Bengal tiger. Mangrove trees protect the coastline from cyclones and tidal waves. However, the region faces challenges like climate change, rising sea levels, and habitat loss. Finally, let's learn about the hills of the northeast India. This region includes the seven sister states Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Arunachal Pradesh. The region has steep hills, deep valleys, and dense forest. It receives very heavy rainfall. Cherrapunji in Meghalaya is one of the wettest places on earth. So, students, today we have learned about the geographical diversity of India. We explored Himalayas, plains, deserts, plateaus, coastlines, islands, and northeastern hills. India's geography is not only because India's geography is very important for the lives of the people, farming, climate, trade, and culture. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.